Today we learn butterfly name. Monarch Butterfly, Red Admiral, Painted Lady, Blue Morpho, Gulf Fritillary, Viceroy Butterfly, Tiger Butterfly, Black Swallowtail, Yellow Swallowtail, Red Lacewing, Common Buckeye, American Lady, Clouded Sulphur, Orange Sulphur, Cabbage White, Eastern Tailed Blue, Heath Fritillary, Glanville Fritillary, Dingy Skipper, Grizzled Skipper, Checkered Skipper, Ringlet, High Brown Fritillary, Pearl Bordered Fritillary, Black Hairstreak, Essex Skipper, Small Tortoiseshell, Painted Lady, Common Blue, Queen of Spain Fritillary,